What I was looking to achieve with the machinist program was to jumpstart myself into a more mechanically driven career. I was working at a warehouse for Amazon. Amazon it's not set up to be a permanent job or a career, essentially, unless you want to go specifically into management, but I knew that wasn't for me. So when this program came around, it definitely helped me to get my life in a more favorable track.
Students who attend the program will earn a National Institute of Metalworking Skills, Materials, Measurement, and Safety certification. One of the most valuable parts of the machinist program is that we focus not only on CNC technology, but we also focus on manual skills as well, which is not really focused on in a lot of programs, and our industry partners find that valuable.
It was pretty much set up as a boot camp sort of program where we went over more than the bare minimum. See, we were going for our NIMS certification, which is basically safety. But our teacher, Mr. Staff, he went above and beyond. So we were doing more hands-on things than we needed to. Employers seeing this on your resume will see that you have the connections and you have the goodwill of other staff and professionals in the industry. Then you will also have, at the end of the program, you'll have some projects that you worked on. You can show off, you can go over what you did to complete those projects.
I think the manufacturing field is the most interesting to me because there's something for everybody. There is a niche part of the manufacturing world that you will fit into. If you like to make things and you like to have something in your hand at the end of the day, then this is an excellent place for you to go. If you'd like to go into design, if you want to invent the future and drive the industry, not only of manufacturing, but industry as a whole, there is a spot for you in the manufacturing industry.
The machinist program went above and beyond preparing me for my job. I actually ended up becoming a coating technician, so not exactly a machinist, but what I learned there with using tools and learning how to read drawings was very invaluable and definitely made it much easier for me to adjust to the job and quickly be prepared for it.
Machinists are one of the number one job needs in our current workforce. We need more machinists. Most of them are 65 and older at this point. They're ready to retire. So we need more people. The workforce development program with Rowan College of Lincoln County is an excellent starting point for people who are looking to get back into the workforce or to change gears in the workforce and really set themselves up for a rewarding career.
Yeah, highly recommend this program.